User agent. Hello everyone. Every file that communicates using the HTTP protocol can be referred as user agent. So the user agent should usually use user agent header to identify themselves when you or me, let's say, we make request to get their information. So let's have a look about how an example user agent would look like. To do that, let's go in Python mode. So let's write Python, and I'll write from URL library dot request import request, and then from URL library dot request import URL open, and after that let's write requeue equals request, and let's write an example website. Again, I will write for simplicity http youtube.com. So here I misspelled request, so you can fix that by typing here, and I will see we don't have any error. And now if I write URL open requeue, so since here we call the website as a request, so if I open this, you can actually see the URL request, and this is something you've already seen. But let's now check the user agent. So to do that, you can simply do requeue dot get header, and then let's write user under slash agent. Okay, let's hit enter here, and you can see that our user agent is Python URL library 3.9. Okay, so basically this is the agent, or this is the tool that we used in order to access this website. Okay, so the tool that we used is Python. For example, if you would like to access some website from the browser, then your user agent will be, let's say, Mozilla or Opera or Safari or Chrome and so on. So this is what I wanted to show you guys in this lecture. I hope it was useful for you, because sometimes you really want to understand what tools you are using in order to assess certain agent, especially in automated systems. So have this in mind, and you can always use the user agent in order to get the tool with which you assessed a certain URL. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.